Hi, welcome. Today we are talking about gathering supplies for the Lala Patterns Cleo blouse. So this Cleo blouse has got 16 different options on it. Because we're concentrating within this month so long on V-necks, V-facings, I am doing view C with the short sleeves. But there are 16 options, different sleeves lengths, different fronts and necklines. You can do a button front if you want, round neck, etc. But I am doing view C with the V-neck and the little puffy sleeve. So about Cleo. Cleo is a versatile top that offers different options for sleeves and front. The fit is loose without being undefined and ends at the upper hip. Cleo has both a V-neck and a round neckline to choose from. The gathered shoulder seam at the front and the gathered lower back adds a playful, feminine touch. The sleeves come in 3/4 and short length in both widths, depending on the sleeve option. The shoulder design is either smooth sleeve 1 or more voluminous and gathered sleeve. Oh yeah, I didn't notice there are 2 different sleeves. You can either have it with the gathers on the sleeve head or smooth on the sleeve head. And we've got these little gathers here. And we've got that option on the long sleeve as well, to have gathered top of sleeves or not. You can decide. They can all be mixed without any adjustments and offer a well-designed modular system for an individual Cleo. Seam allowances 5/8 of an inch, 1.5 centimetres, and hem allowances are included. So choosing your fabric choice, they suggest, well, Cleo is designed for woven fabrics. If you want a little more structure, linen, poplin and similar fabrics are the right choice. But if you want a breezy look, easy breezy, fluid fabrics made from viscose, tencel or silk in a thin quality, for example, are recommended. So you can either go for something drapey or something a bit more structured and stiff. So I have chosen, let me show you this beautiful cotton poplin. So it's cotton poplin. I got this from Rainbow Fabrics, which specialises in deadstock fabrics. This is a Bowden deadstock. It was a Bowden dress, I believe. So the poplin itself, and I'm going to show you this, they kind of, if you pull your fabric, so I've got a corner of my fabric here, and this is helps you to understand how drapey or stiff your fabric is. And this is a new thing that I've discovered. So you hold it at the corner and kind of pull out a bit more than 6 inches, and you want to see, does this stay upright like mine is, or does it flop forward? And then if you pull a further bit, what happens? It takes quite a bit for this to drape. So I'd say this is a fairly stiff fabric. I'd hoped it was a little bit drapier. It is not. But we'll work with what we've got because I love the print. It's just so kind of summery and happy, even though we've got little raindrops on it. So the pattern can be purchased either from the fold line or from Lala Patterns website. The pattern itself comes in 2 size ranges, but you just need to order and you get both. You get all the options and all the sizes, but you would only print the size range that you require. And I'll be uploading the discount codes as soon as we've got them. Within the booklet here, I'll also give you the yardage chart, the finished garment measurements, and I'll upload all those to this video as well. Okay, so it suggests we need fusible edge tape, 1.5 centimetre wide for ironing, or lightweight fusible interfacing for cutting the strips to a custom size for yourself. It does say lightweight fusible interfacing for the facings and for the sleeve cuff. If you're making the button placket for your V-neck, you want 5 buttons of around 12 millimeters. If you're doing the round neckline, 7 buttons of around 12 millimeters. For lightweight fabrics, use Scotch tape or washable stabilizer for buttonholes if necessary. Your short sleeve, you need flat elastic, 1/2 inch wide, 1.2 centimeters, according to the calculation below. So you're using circumference of your center of your upper arm plus 2 centimeters. And then gather your supplies, order your supplies, gather them, pre-wash your fabric, and get ready to start the Lala Cleo blouse sew along.